Hey everyone, it's Shelly from Shelly Creates It. I'm a crafty creator and a passionate teacher, always up for a new challenge. Today I'm making the A+ content that goes on my KDP book listing for my newest book. Let's get creative together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join me on this 25-day creative adventure. I didn't vlog very much, so that was the only 8 seconds of the dog walk I had. Anyways, I'm going to walk you guys through how I upload my A+ content for my Amazon books on Amazon KDP. I hope you find it helpful, and thanks so much for watching. So as you can see from the example, it's got some photos and some text, and I'm going to show you how we do that. You'll log into your KDP account and go to marketing, and then you're going to select your country of choice of where you're going to be showing the KDP A+ content. And so here's mine that I just uploaded, and I have templates for it using Adobe Photoshop, and I've got them ready to go. And so I use the different images from my books, different PNGs, and some pre-made images from Canva, and I just throw them into my Photoshop template and tweak them until I like the way they look. Also, I think KDP adjusted their file sizes or their photo sizes, so at some point in this process I had to adjust those 3 smaller ones in the middle to a new size because it wasn't matching any of their current upload options. Just be mindful of that, and if you do want this file, I will have it on my Patreon so you can download and use it for yourself. P.S. This book is my Christmas book from 2024. It's all about enjoying the presents and the activities with family and friends instead of focusing on the big shiny gifts and presents that we sometimes get caught up in. It was a lot of fun to make, and I made it in a month, so that's a pretty good deal. After I finish, I select all of the artboards and I do File, Export Artboards, and that's so much easier to export all at once instead of doing separate files as PNGs. Back on my KDP book listing, you need the ASIN number, and that's located towards the bottom of the page where it's got the book information. So I copy that and put that in so that way it attaches it to the correct listing. And then you go in and you add your content depending on what layout and what information you want. You can pick from any of their templates and you fill in the text and the images based on your desires for how you want your listing to look. And they also give you the sizes there, so you can just create a template of your own if you'd rather use Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, Canva, whatever it is that's easier for you to design in. Here it's rinse and repeat. You upload your image and then you put the alt text and a description. I actually use AI or ChatGPT to help me create these because my book description and tags and everything are already in ChatGPT, so I can just say, hey, I need an alt text for this book's image to go on my Amazon KDP page, and it'll give me some text. But I put way too much text in here and I didn't realize that there was limits, so I had to play around with that and get that submitted, and then once I did that, I just moved on to the next one. So as you can see, it's starting to come together. I have my images in and I continue to put in some information in regards to my books. This text here will actually show up on the page, whereas the other ones are just the crawler text that Google and sight readers and things like that read. So here I'm just adding in a few things. Don't put emojis because I totally forgot they actually don't allow that. And I was having fun and excited about that, and then it gave me an error. So heads up. So here's that ASIN number you'll need. Copy that over, paste it into the content for Amazon A+. It will show the listing, and you're going to go ahead and link that up so that way the content you have will be applied to your listing. You'll hit publish or submit, and then I realized I can't put emojis, so I had to fix that. Typically, they're really quick at approvals. I don't know if that's just because I've done so many or if that's generally how it goes now. You'll have to check the KDP FAQ page to see what the general time for approvals are. But once you get that submitted, it'll show up on your listing page as approved. All right, so that's how you upload your images and descriptions to the A+ content for KDP. I hope that was helpful, and if you have questions or get stuck with anything, feel free to let me know or go to the FAQ page as you can see here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Go make something creative.